there goes the 1049 runs the Northwestern Rail service from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street, and it was bloody packed. $350, $375 and $350, $234. Right, there goes the 1059, runs the Northwestern Rail service to Birmingham New Street via Wolverhampton from Liverpool Lime Street. $350,253. Right, I believe that is going to London Euston from North Glasgow Central. And I didn't see numbers. About to pass through is going to be Sam's Rock trains the more beloved 390 Pendolino, 391 from 5 from Liverpool Line Street to London Euston. Passing through now is going to be Avanti West Coast Pendolino running from London Euston to Glasgow Central. No idea what the numbers are on that. Right, about to pass through is going to be Avanti West Coast Pendolino running from London Euston to Edinburgh. It should be 390,049. Right, our first freight train to pass through, I think it's a double amber, is going to be a Bredbury to Runcorn Folly Lane movement. $66,418. Right, about to pass through now is going to be Avanti West Coast Pendolino running from Glasgow Central to London Euston. This should be 39132. Here it comes. Next freight train to pass by is going to be a service from Runcorn Folly Lane to, I've forgotten now, 66563. Runcorn Folly Lane to Brindo, that's it. Right, about to pass through is going to be another Avanti West Coast Pendolino running from London Euston to Liverpool Line Street. This will be 390,047. Right, the next Avanti West Coast Pendolino to pass through is going to be a service to London Euston via Birmingham New Street from Edinburgh Waverley, and it should be 39125. Well, I think it's coming around anyway. Here it is. Started filming a bit too early. Never mind. There we go, it's the Pendolino. Oh, here it is. Right, here comes the 1149 London Northwestern Rail service to Liverpool Lime Street from Birmingham New Street. 35401 is on the front. 35126 is on the rear. And it's very packed. I say that, these rear two carriages seem to be a bit quiet. Our final freight train we're going to see before we get our train is going to be from Donald's Moor to Ditton. 66119. And here comes my train in the form of the 1158 London Northwestern Rail service from Liverpool Guy Street to Birmingham New Street. We're going to take it to Hertford. And it should be 352, 34 and 353, 75 if I remember rightly.